haven't done this in forever. It hurts. Oh, my back popped. Ow! I stepped on something. I'm getting dizzy. Hey, look at my lights. There's an orange spot on the floor.
Did you pee on it?
Oh god, I'm about to fall. How long have I been doing this?
35 seconds.
I was doing it more than 2. I haven't done that in months. So it hurts. Oh, ain't that lovely? My back hurts. Okay, now I gotta do the lotus. I was doing this last night and I fell on my butt.
Oh.
Dadgummit. Why can't I do it no more?
Nice toes.
Uh-huh.
Ta-da.
Alright, this is what I was doing last night when I was on the phone with you. It's fun. Okay. Oh, my feet are stuck. Ow. Okay. I wonder if I can still do this. I don't think I can. I know I could when I was like 5. I can do this. I wonder if I can walk.
You're a dork.
I can do it. Now a frog. Watch, this is not a human pretzel. It's a froggy. Ribbit, ribbit. Oh, what? Yeah. I fell. Okay, turn that off now. My butt hurts.